Hello, I am Akin. Welcome to the Idea Kingdom channel. Today I will introduce to japchae, one of Korea's representative dishes. Japchae is a traditional Korean dish made by frying glass noodle with various vegetables and meat, and mixing them with a delicious seasoning. Japchae is a Korean dish prepared when serving precious guests. It is enjoyed on holiday and special days such as birthday, Chuseok, and Lunar New Year. Are there any idea for making japchae that won't swear after a day? Let's start with a japchae idea recipe that is easy and simple to make in just 7 minutes. Real Korea, 진짜 한국, 아이디어 킹덤! In making japchae, the first step is to season the pork. Cut the pork into long, thin pieces. I bought 200 grams of sliced pork at the store. You can use your favorite meats or beef. For a vegetarian, it would be better to make it without meat. I will add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon alcohol or soju, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic to season the pork. 1 tablespoon of alcohol helps remove the meat smell. In Korea, I often use 1 tablespoon of soju. In step 2, turn on the stove and boil some water. And then put the noodle for 7 minutes. Normally you soak the glass noodle for an hour, but if you forget, the noodle can lose their taste after a few hours. To save time, you can keep the soaked and boil the noodle for 7 minutes while preparing the vegetables. Japchae often gets swollen and the noodles stick together and lose taste the next day. Make sure the noodles are fully covered in the water. After 7 minutes, drain the water. To keep the noodles chewy, do not wash them with the water. Once all the water is gone, coat the noodle with 5 tablespoons of cooking oil until the noodles are evenly coated with oil. You can use avocado oil, olive oil, or regular cooking oil. Next, spread the noodle and let them sit for a while. This way, you can enjoy delicious japchae even the next day. Let's make the sauce for the glass noodle. Add 5 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of Chinese soy sauce. The darker the noodle, the better they taste. This is Akin's specialty. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Add 100 ml of water. Do not add too much water. Add sugar directly to the noodle, but it can clump or the sauce only stick to one side. That's why I'm going to boil the sauce. When the sauce starts boiling, add the noodles. Stir the noodles so they get caught with the sauce. Then leave it alone. Step 4. Now let me cut up various vegetables. Shiitake mushroom, 2 king oyster mushroom, 1 onion, 1 carrot, 1 yellow paprika, half spinach. For japchae, slice all vegetables long and thin. First, fry the meat. Season the mushroom with the meat seasoning. I'll add mushroom and then the carrot, which take the longest to cook. Instead of cooking ingredients separately, you can cook everything in one pan. I will fry the carrot on one side of the pan over medium heat with the flame facing the carrot. Do not use high heat. I use half an onion, but I like the sweet taste of onion, so I will use a whole one. I will add yellow paprika at the end to add color to the dish. Do not fry paprika. 10 seconds okay. It should have a crunchy texture. You can also lightly blanch spinach in water. The spinach is soft, so I will just fry it. The thin spinach will cook with the heat from other vegetables. I think the vegetables should stay crunchy, so they go well with the noodle and meat. Mix the crushed noodles, stir-fry vegetable and meat. The pan is small. Put everything into a large bowl and mix it well. This is the final step of cooking. Before eating, add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil for extra flavor. I will sprinkle the pepper at the end to avoid heating too much. Please garnish with a sesame seed at the end. Japchae is finally finished. I think if someone serves you japchae, you are very good guest. Dear Hiking friend, every country has a dish prepared for special guest or occasion. Please let me know in the comments. Crunchy vegetable, well-seasoned meat, and chewy glass noodle. I think it tastes really delicious when eaten together. A combination of crunchy and soft vegetable with a sweet and salty flavor. Try making Korean japchae. Japchae is a Korean dish with a balance of taste, texture, and nutrition. And it's so delicious. Thank you for watching. Real Korea. 진짜 한국 아이디어 킹덤. See you next time. Bye. 상상이 현실이 되다. Real Korea. 진짜 한국 아이디어 킹덤. Okay friends, have a fun, make a happy everyday with Idea Kingdom. 또 만나요. See you next time. Please don't forget subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Love you.